How can I stream ESPN for free?
Hey, folks! Today we'll be addressing a frequently asked question. How can I stream ESPN for free? ESPN is a favorite for sports fans worldwide, but not everyone wants to or can afford to pay for access. Please note that the information provided is for educational purposes only, and we do not encourage or endorse any illegal activities, including unauthorized streaming or piracy.
Is ESPN free to watch?
ESPN is a paid service, with its platform, ESPN Plus, available at a monthly or annual cost. However, there are legal ways to access ESPN for free, such as through trials or specific internet service provider packages. Also, some sports events are broadcasted for free. Always check and respect your local laws when trying to access content.
Can I get a free trial for ESPN?
Yes, sometimes ESPN offers free trials for ESPN Plus. This is a great way to get free access, at least temporarily. 1. First, you'll need to create an ESPN account if you don't already have one. 2. Next, keep an eye on the ESPN Plus page for any offers of free trials. 3. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for the free trial. Remember, trials typically require you to input payment details, and you'll be charged once the trial period ends, so don't forget to cancel if you don't wish to continue the subscription.
Are there other ways to get ESPN for free?
If you have specific internet or cable providers, ESPN might be included in your package. Companies like Verizon Fios, AT&T Uverse, and Comcast Xfinity often have deals with ESPN included. Make sure to check if your provider has such an offer. Also, if you're a student or a military person, some providers give you access to ESPN as part of their special deals. That's a wrap for today's topic. How can I stream ESPN for free? We've discussed some of the legal ways you can get access to ESPN content without shelling out the subscription fee. Remember, always respect copyright laws and only stream content legally. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks like these.